We explained in a previous video that Wise give you the possibility to create a personal account in order to get a free debit card and bank details in a lot of countries, but we said before that if you have a business, you can create your business Wise account. In that way, you can register as a company, not as a person, and you can, as it says here, you can get a business account with no stress and focus globally. So in that way, you are going to get the bank details. You can receive payments from all around the world in an easy way and cheap in comparison with other traditional banks. You can add members of your team to the Business Wise account, so you can delegate and give different authorizations to different people in order to work together using a Wise business account. You can pay invoice and get paid, transfer currencies from one currency to the other one, connect with different applications in order to improve the way you work, all in the same place. And depending the country you are creating the account from, you are even going to receive a Wise business card, so you can spend the money that you get in your business account easily. Why you can use Wise Business? You can reduce a lot the fees that you pay normally to receive and you send money overseas. You can get paid faster, as I said here. You can give your customers the possibility to send money easy, free, and you are going to receive the payments instantly or in an hour. 50% of the payments are instant or arrive in an hour. You can collect money seamlessly, and you can create a clever invoice inside the same platform. You can collaborate with all your workforce because you can add different employees to your business Wise account. They can work all together, managing expenses, the cash flow, and give your accountant team access to Wise, controlling the permissions that you want that the other people have inside the platform. As I said here, you can connect with different applications, you can reconcile payments using QuickBooks, and you can make batch payments. Could be useful because you can pay up to 1,000 people in one click. So if, for example, if you want to pay the salary of your employees, if you have a business that has less than 1,000 employees, you can do in one click. So it's quite useful. You can upload a spreadsheet with the details and all the transfers are going to go straight away. You can get started for free. In here you have all the benefits that you can get by using a Wise business account. If you want the international banking details, you are going to pay $31. This is one-time payment. It's not a recurring payment. So you pay $31 and you are going to access to all your bank details in all the countries around the world. So I believe if you have a business, this is quite cheap in comparison with other alternatives. You can send money, make payments, use the tool to batch payments. You can add, hold, and convert money. You can have integrations with different applications. You can add team members. You have the mobile app. You have the direct debits. And you will have also the sort code, the routing number, the IBAN code to get paid as a local company around the world. You can receive payments from third party and you can withdraw money from platforms like Shopify, Stripe, Amazon, and so on. If you have a larger business, you can also speak with the sales team in Wise and you can get a specific account to cover your needs. In here you can simulate the country you are looking this video from and you can understand which service you can get from your country. For example, from United Kingdom, you can get the debit card, the banking alternatives, and the Wise business account, but this depends the country you're looking from. So I believe if you have a business, it's quite useful tool to keep growing and expand your business globally. If you don't have an account, you can use the link that I leave you in the first comment and in the description. In that way, you're going to get the first transaction by free and you're going to help the channel. See you on the next video. Bye.